What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from iGetswell and hope you all are having an amazing day. Today I woke up with this message on my screen. It was saying that TV needs to start for screen restoration, and I was like, okay, what is this? I've never seen this before. So I did that for restoration and it turned off for like good 5 minutes, and I waited for it to turn back on, and I had my screen going blank for exact 5 minutes, and after the five minutes completed, my screen was turned back on, and I had this message showing up on the screen saying that the pixel refresher has completed. So you can see that TV is turning back on by itself and pixel cleaning process has completed. So now I use this LG C1 OLED as a TV monitor for my PC, and I have a lot of static objects on the screen. So it was doing the pixel cleaning, and which it forced me to do it as if yes or no, you want to do it or not to prevent image issues. And I would say yes to that, right? Because I've been using this TV for my gaming, for my desktop use. So this is good to know that this feature is working and it's preventing all of those issues which could cause image retention on the screen or eventually cause probably burn-in. So I'm gonna go to the all settings and show you how many hours I have used this TV for. So I'm gonna go to support section. Actually not, it's in the general now. They kept moving things around, so I'm gonna go to the general, and in the devices section, we have the TV information where you can see the total hours you have used the TV or panel used. And TV information, you can see I have used this panel for 134 hours in total. So now this TV has been used for 134 hours. Mostly you see this type of message for pixel cleaning and for screen restoration about after 2000 hours. But that's for the normal viewing conditions. The way I'm using it, if I go to the OLED pixel cleaning, you can see that it talks about the static picture. If you're having static logos and picture on the screen for a longer time, that's when you're gonna have that retention issues and all. And I have the adjust logo brightness to the high because I just want that luminance adjustment of the static logos to be high so that I don't have burning or image retention on my screen. So I'm gonna go to the main desktop, and you can see I got a lot of icons on the desktop, and I got the taskbar, which is a static logo, right? The TV is gonna detect it as a static logo, and it's gonna dim the brightness for that. But still, the TV is gonna run the pixel refresher quite frequently and earlier than as if it would run on your regular TV watching. So this is a good way to tell you guys that if you're gonna use this LG OLED C1 as a PC monitor, you're gonna have this error showing up. And I have accumulated some screenshots, and also I talked with the LG customer support about this issue, and they told me that it is because of the static logos, and TV is smart enough to detect all of that, and usually it is run in the background every 4 hours of total viewing. So let's say you watch the TV for 4 hours, now you turn it off, or whenever it is powered off, it is actually run in the background, so you don't have to manually ever run it. It is happening itself, and then TV will show you the message to manually run it after it has accumulated 2000 hours of cumulative use. So this is all information I'm getting from the LG website. I'm not making it up and not getting it from any forum. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can go and educate yourself about how this feature works. It's nothing to be scared about. And I have used my C10 for over a year as a TV monitor, TV as a monitor with my PC use, and I never had this issue. And I see this message showing up on my screen on LG OLED C1 only. I've never seen it on C10, but it seems like the TV processor itself is detecting that I'm using a lot of static objects and logos on my screen, and it's preventing that image retention and screen burn-in eventually. So this is a good thing to know. I will appreciate if you guys like this video, and also let's talk about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in another one. Until then, peace out.